Hello children and viewers. So now I am going to explain problems on lens formula. So while doing problems on lens formula, so you have to first remember. So in that problem is belongs to the concave lens or convex lens. And second one, so you have to identify where is the object, or object distance, and as well as after guessing the object distance. So you know that different types of image formed by the lenses. So depending upon the knowledge, guess the image distance as well as size of the image and as well as nature. So after guessing whatever the given data, so write that data, and after that select the suitable formula and apply the sign convention and do the calculation, and then you get the result. So and compare that result, so as you assumed before. అంటే ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది గెస్ చేసి మనం కొన్ని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ తర్వాత ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ గెస్ చేసాం కదా, ఆ గెస్ చేసిన వాటితో కోయిన్సైడ్ అయిందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్టెప్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో. బట్ ఇన్ ద సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, so they doesn't give the directly convex lens. Sometimes they may give it is a converging lens. So instead of concave lens they give the diverging lens. అంటే ప్రాబ్లం లోపల కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ అన్న ఇవ్వచ్చు, కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ అన్న ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదా ఈ కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ ఇంకొక నేమ్ ఏంటిది, కన్వర్జింగ్ లెన్స్. కన్వర్జింగ్ లెన్స్ అంటే కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్ అని ఇవ్వకుండా ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కన్వర్జింగ్ లెన్స్ అన్నాడు. కన్వర్జింగ్ లెన్స్ అన్నా అది కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, sometimes they may be give the in the problem the lens is concave lens or diverging lens. Diverging lens అని కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు, డైవర్జింగ్ లెన్స్ అన్న కాన్కేవ్ లెన్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, the focal length of the convex lens is positive. Remember, the focal length of convex lens is positive and focal length of the concave lens is negative. Focal length of the concave lens is negative. Remember, so because both have the two focal points, so that's why you have to confuse. You have to confuse because focus means after refraction where the refracted rays are converged, so that focus you have to take. So that's why if that focus will be taken for convex lens, that will be the positive, and concave lens that will be the negative. And now coming to the problem. So what is the problem? An object 5 centimeter length, so the object size is given first of all, is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. So in the problem given that it is a converging lens. Converging lens means what? It is the convex lens. So converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So find the position, size and nature of image and draw ray diagram also. You have to draw the ray diagram. So but first of all identify this is a which lens? Converging lens. Converging lens means it is a convex lens. So that's why first draw the rough diagram. So it is a convex lens. Okay. So this is the optic center. And right after that write the given data. What is given? An object of 5 centimeter length, and the object size is given. Object size is nothing but height of object. So the height of object. So the height of object is 5 centimeter. And next is held 25 centimeter away from converging lens. And what is given? Object distance. So the object distance is 25 centimeter. And next what is given? Held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So focal length is given. Focal length is how much? 10 centimeter. So then find the position. Position means you have to find the V. And as well as size. Size means what? Height of the image. And you have to write the nature. So first of all, so in the problem focal length is given and object distance given. So that's why you have to guess where is the object. So the focal length is 10, and for example consider this is f1. So now the focal length is from optic center to f1 is 10 centimeter. From optic center to second focus is also 10 centimeter. So better to take the object on left side. Now this is a 2f1. Consider 2f1 means what? 10 plus 10, 20. And then now this is a 25. 25 means the object is beyond 2f1. Beyond 2f1 or c1. So from O to f1 is 10 and f1 to 2f1 is again 10. Total 20 here. That is nothing but up to c1 or 2f1. What is the distance? 20. But object distance 25. And now it is the u is greater than. Now u is greater than 2f1. And where is the object? The object is beyond c1 or 2f1. So now you know the different types of image formed by the convex lens. Where the image is formed, the image can be formed between the f2 and 2f2. f2 and 2f2. So ikkada form aitadi f2 and 2f2. So draw the diagram. So now this is a incident ray that is parallel to principal axis. After refraction it passes through focus of other side of the lens. And next I am taking another ray that is passes through optic center. So it will be continue the same path. Where the image is formed, the image is formed between the f2 and 2f2. And nothing but when you find the image, so the v is must between the f2 and 2f2. f2 is nothing but 10, 2f2 is nothing but 20. And nothing but when we calculate the v, so that must be greater than 20 and less than 20. So that must be అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 10 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి 20 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండాలి. We have to check later. And next coming to the size ఎలా ఉండాలి? Diminished ఉండాలి. And it is the real image. Now I am going to check. So now what is the suitable formula? The suitable formula is, so 1 by f equal to, what is the lens formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. And next apply the sign convention. Apply sign convention. So when you apply the sign convention, so all the distance are measured from where? Optic center. So this is optic center and this is object. This is object and this is the image. This is object. This is object will be considered A. This is object and this is the image. Object, when you measure the object distance, all the distance are measured from optic center. That's why you are moving in which direction? Opposite to the incident ray. That's why u will be the negative. So minus, that is how much? 25. And next, if you find the image distance, to measure the image distance, so what is the image distance? The distance between the optic center to image. So to measure the image distance, in which direction you are moving? In the direction of incident light. That's why the v can be positive. But don't apply the unknown things. So that's why no need to write the sign convention for v. So this you have to remember. So next, what is the sign convention of focal length? So the focal length is nothing but the distance between the optic center to focus. Focus means this is the real focus. The focus and ikkada తీసుకోవాలి. So why? Because the refracted light rays అనేవి ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో రిఫ్రాక్ట్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఫోకస్ తీసుకోవాలి. So the distance from optic center to focus. So to measure the distance from the optic center to focus, so in which direction you are moving? In the direction of incident light. That way f is positive. That is how much? 10. And the height above the principal axis will be positive. The height below the principal axis will be negative. So what is given? Height of the object. So the height of the object is nothing but, so next, that is above the principal axis. So that's why it can be positive. Now substitute the u and f value in this equation. Then what you get? So 1 by f equal to 1 by f means 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v you have to find. So minus 1 by u is nothing but minus 25. So this minus into minus plus. So 1 by 10 equal to 1 by v plus 1 by 25. Then bring the 1 by 25 to the left side. So 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25 equal to 1 by v. So 10, 25 LCM is how much? 50. So then what you get here? 5 minus 2 equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 nothing but 3 by 50. So 3 by 50 equal to 1 by v. So v equal to how much? V is equal to 50 by 3. So 50 by 3 is nothing but 3 1s are 3. So 3 1s are 3. So nothing but how much remained here? 2. 20. 20 means 3 6s are. 3 6s are 18. So again 2. 20. And how much? 16.66. So So then what is the image distance? The image distance is 16.6 centimeter. So now check with the assumed value. So what you assumed, the v will be greater than the 10 and less than 20. Already got. This is less than, sorry, this is greater than 20. Sorry, this is greater than 10 and less than 20. Okay, you got the correct answer. Then next, you find the position and you have to find the size. So to find the size, you have to find the magnification. First you have to find the magnification. What is the magnification formula? M equal to image distance by object distance, that is equal to height of the image by height of the object. So now M equal to V by U. What is the V? 16.6. But don't substitute this value because for easy simplification. So what is the V? 50 by 3. So 50 by 3, because you got the plus value here. Because plus means what? It can be found on other side of the lens. Here, that's why you are getting positive value. And what is U? U is nothing but what? U is nothing but minus 25. U is nothing but minus 25. Next, simplify. So M equal to 50 by 3 minus 3 into 25. 25 1 the 25 3 the. And M equal to what you got? Minus 2 by 3. So when you find the magnification, then again, so by using this formula, M equal to height of the image by height of the object. So then M equal to height of the image by height of the object. Then substitute here, minus 2 by 3m equal to height of the image by, what is the height of the object? The height of the object is plus 5. So now do the cross multiplication. So height of the image is equal to minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3 is nothing but 3 minus 3.33. So height of the image is minus 3.33 centimeter. So why you are getting minus? Minus means it is the inverted image. So what are the characteristics? It is the real, inverted and diminished. So then what are the characteristics? It is the real image and it is the inverted, and compared to the size it is diminished. So మీరు ఇనిషియల్ గా ఏం చేసేసారో అది కరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చిందా రాలేదు? yes, diminished. So this is the first problem. Now coming to the second problem. So the second problem is a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Then find how far is object placed from lens and draw a ray diagram. So now this problem belongs to which type of lens? Concave lens or diverging lens. Okay. So this is a problem belongs to concave lens. This is a concave lens. Okay, so this is optic center and this is the f2 and this is the f1. So now after guessing that concave lens, then find the then write the what is the given data in the problem. So what is the given data in the problem? A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. So f is given, focal length 15 centimeter, and forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. And what is given? Image distance, that is 10 centimeter. So find the how far an object placed from the lens, and you have to calculate the object distances, and after that draw the ray diagram. So to find the object distance, what is the formula? The lens formula you have to take. What is the lens formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by b minus 1 by u. So now where the image is formed? The image is formed 10 centimeter. So but actually what is the focal length? So the focal length is 15 centimeter and nothing but, so this is a focal length. Somewhere the object will be there. So now consider this object here. Now I am guessing. Here is the object I am guessing. So where the image is formed? The image is formed at 10 centimeter, but the distance from the optic center to focus is 15. Here to here is 15. Now where the image is formed? 10 centimeter, and here it is formed, and between the optic center and focus. So now one ray I am taking that is parallel to principal axis. So after refraction, how it will be? It appears to coming from the focus of same side of the object. And I am taking next one, that is passing through optic center. It will be continue the same path. So but when you observe these two refracted rays never really intersect, that's why when they are extended, so here it is intersect, that's why here image is formed. So now this is image distance. This image distance is how much? 10 centimeter. Here to here, this is the image. So this O to I is how much? 10 centimeter. So now then you have to calculate, this is a V. Sorry, this is a U. You have to calculate. ఈ U అనే దాన్ని మనం calculate చేయాలి. So then apply sign convention. Apply sign convention. So all the distance are measured from where? Optic center. And these are object. But don't apply the unknown things. Don't apply the sign convention for unknown things. Only apply the sign convention for known things. So where the refracted rays are really intersecting, and nothing but appears to intersect on this side focus. So that's why the focal length of the convex lens can be negative. So I am explaining here. So this is the distance from this optic center to focus. So to measure the focal length, in which direction you are moving? In this direction, but incident ray is moving in this direction. So that's why you are moving opposite to incident ray. So that's why the focal length will be negative. That is how much? Minus 15 centimeter. And next coming to the, this is the image formed here, and this is the optic center. So the distance between the optic center to image will be called as what? Image distance. To measure the image distance, in which direction you are moving? You are again moving. This is the incident ray direction, but you are moving in this direction. You are moving opposite direction. That's why. So the image distance is also negative. That is how much? Minus 10 centimeter. Then substitute these values in this equation. So 1 by f. F is nothing but minus 15 equal to 1 by v. V is how much? Minus 10. So next to minus u. U is unknown. So now bring the minus 1 by u to the left side and minus 1 by 15 to the right side. So 1 by u equal to minus 1 by 10. So this when minus 1 by 15 go to the right side, it become plus 1 by 15. So 1 by u equal to, what is the 10, 15 LCM? That is 30. So with what value the 10 is multiplied to get 33? 3 into 1, 3. So that is minus 3. So next plus. With what value the 15 can be multiplied to get the 32? 2 into 1, 2. So 1 by u equal to, what is there? Minus 3 plus 2. But nothing but minus 1 by 30. So when you want to invert, when you invert, u equal to how much? Minus 30 centimeter. So why you are getting minus? Minus is nothing but, so again the same side of the image will be their object. And nothing but, so this is the optic center to object distance is how much? This is 30 centimeter. Why you are getting minus? Because to measure the object distance, you are moving from optic center to object in the opposite direction to incident ray. That's why you are getting minus. So in this way you have to do the problem.